What's up, guys? I'm kind of excited. I got some boxes behind me here. We got some of the equipment that I ordered for the channel. I've been recording stuff off my phone, but we had a really nice camera. I just needed some accessories to go with it. So, let's check it out.
All right, well, what do we have here? There we go. Okay, now we can see. All right, start with this one. Stuff. Don't need that. Ooh. And stand. Yeah. A little muff to suppress the pee pops. If anybody's ever recorded any audio before, you know about pee pops. All right, so we got that there. And I gotta be truthful, this is not a complete, legit unboxing. I did open stuff to make sure it would fit beforehand, but still. We have in here stuff and things. Here we have our bendy tripod for the camera. And this is for cell phone, spring-loaded cell phone attachment. This handy little guy here is a Bluetooth shutter. So this little guy here I can turn on, maybe. Button's kind of stiff. Okay, but then I can sync it to my phone and take pictures with my phone remotely while it's hooked up to the tripod. Pretty cool. And then we just have some other stand attachments. Alright, cool. Let's get recording.